Okay, everybody, we're down here on the layout. It's Bobby from Bobby's Hobbies, and we've reopened the ramp. This enables the upper mountain layer of trains, or level, to go down to the river route, the level playing field. So let's see if we can turn this around. We preliminarily clean the tracks. It's going the wrong direction. Now it's on the unenergized spur. All right. Now, like I said, it's not totally clean, and it hasn't been run on. There she goes. Right, and the power stop there is perfect. So let's see if we could get it to go back. See, now she's on the unenergized spur frog. All right. She did it. She should die up at the top. Not die, but this power cuts out before it gets anywhere. Yep, perfect. All right. The mountain ramp from the level route to the mountain route is now activated. Hey, thanks for watching. Getting the layout ready for Christmas.